GNS stock analysis and GNS stock prediction. What I'm doing here is showing you my exact play. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And all that to say, GNS, it's a bullish market. You know, I'm not saying this to over exaggerate or anything. I'm just showing you how it is, and how that was especially look like now is I want to see a double break. GNS related, man. 19 results in the disc, so sick. It just needs to be more volatile. I mean, that's kind of the only thing here. If it's not volatile enough, I'm not looking to put a double down buy. Like, people are really overcomplicating this, but I'm just sticking to what I've tested for 5 years. And if you don't want to go and do 5 years here on your own and do 43,000 videos and spend not only that, like 5 figures on courses and mentors, I'm not gonna be freaking doing neither. You know, I'm not gonna be just buying just because. So if you want to get the exclusive sauce and information that's taken me 5 years to accumulate for like a couple of hours, click the first link in the description. It expires soon. 1,200 people have gotten it. See you in the next one. No risk.